Don finally boss, so no be small thing. They say that the Yoruba nation don call chain give Funanis wey dey inside bush. They carry their people. As that one dey happen, they say that Eastern Security Network wey be ESN don still come outside come tell the governors for inside the southeast wey be say they carry innocent youth wey dey waka on their own. They tag them ESN and they call them unknown gunmen. No be small thing o. ESN now don tell them say this time around no be small thing because they don dey get patience. Make now they carry come outside, but be like say that their patience no be small thing o, my people. Let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you updates back to back as it dey hot. They say that the Yorubas don finally stand up again, say that the Yoruba nation for inside Tinubu government. He say so many things so wey dey happen as we dey talk now, say they no go everly take am because e don too much. How Fulani go come their land come dey kpai people, just dey go like that. I will play you the video, make you watch, and before I go come back come continue. Stay tuned and watch this video with me.
Now you can see it. Our boys were saying, "Look at dollar why? Look at dollar why? So no more Fulani. This Yoruba nation. I'm on top of there. I just get more. Ìgbòho Sunday, bàbá wa mi báyìí. Abẹ́gẹ̀ kú, ilé kú, ṣàtìlíbẹ̀ ń lọ. Yorùbá ìṣeré mọ́ no more Fulani. Ẹ bá lọ ṣe bí wèrè. Àdábì máa bẹ́ yín, no more Fulani. This Yoruba nation. Ṣàtìlíbẹ̀ ń lọ gbélé. Biafra nation. Yoruba nation. Biafra nation. Yoruba nation. No more Fulani. Ó ti yé yín. Kó máa pọ̀ létí yàrá yín bí báyìí. Ó ti yé yín. Gbogbo Fulani tó wáyé báyìí, ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ kú.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back as you don't watch that video. This na the Yoruba nation people where they talk say they don't finally stand up, but I can't they ask now this about tie where they hold for hand. Now they want to take go first Fulani we get big AK and the others AK.7 for hand. Now this go where they take they shoot bird. Now I want to go first Funanis for na territory. No be small thing though that I can say well maybe now this one they want show sha. But however, let's go and listen for waiting ESN. Don't come outside for this video. Come talk again.
Nation, oh fatherland is the absolute pledge. Defending this shall be our dedication. Saving our blood, we can no!
ESN, ESN, protect Biafra land. ESN. Third anniversary speech from the Eastern Security Network, ESN Central Command. Biafra worldwide and all the lovers of freedom. We the ESN Central Command ask you all to join us in the celebration of our third anniversary in this month of December 2023. Eastern Security Network is an indigenous security outfit founded by the Biafra leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and IPOP. Our mission is to protect the people of the southeastern region against invading Fulani herdsmen and Nigerian murderous security agents sponsored by the Nigerian government. Our message is very clear, and it goes to the Fulani herdsmen and Mieti Ana sponsors parading around Anambra, Imo, and the Delta states, especially those destroying our agricultural produce, killings, raping our women, girls in Biafra territory, and disturbing road users with their cows. ESN shall execute the necessary plans to make sure the Fulani herdsmen parading in this states are dislodged and completely wiped away in our farmland and forest. Again, this warning goes to the Anambra Vigilante Group, AVG, who are mandated by the state government to illegally abduct and extrajudicially killing members of IPOP within the state. The illegal abduction of suspected Biafra sympathizers and IPOP members within Anambra and Imo states have taken another level since the abduction of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and we demand the immediate release of all those IPOP members illegally abducted in Anambra and other Biafra states, or they must be brought to court if they committed any crime than detaining them indefinitely. Nigeria should respect their appeal court order and release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu immediately. Also, they must release all those Biafrans and IPOP members who have been discharged and acquitted by their own court of law. Failure to do so, it shall lead to a total unprecedented unrest in Nigeria. Furthermore, this is a final warning to criminals, cash snatchers, syndicates, and kidnappers operating in Anambra State. Awka North, Anambra South, and Olu Aziz, using the name of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, ESN, and IPOB in their criminal businesses. They must desist from crime and vacate from the state. They must also stop tarnishing the image of this hollow Biafra restoration movement. We have identified all their political and traditional godfathers, sponsoring them within the state, and we shall pay them a visit to tell them that crime do not pay forever. They say, when injustice becomes law, resistance becomes duty. ESN,
Protect Biafra land.
ESN,
Protect Biafra land.
protect Biafra land.
ESN.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, and I want you to share this video as many as you can, because people need to know wetin dey go on. No be small tune. I don't hear the whole message wey Yoruba Nation send. Hear the one wey ESN wey they talk send. I beg may you share the video so that other people go dey get the information and know wetin dey happen. Our land must be protected. Anybody wey fit protect our land anyhow we go fit protect our land. Fulani can never take. They fit take anywhere for Nigeria, but you see Igbo land and all Biafra territory, they no go tamper there. That one na wetin they no go fit do. They know that one very well. Say if no be all those police, all those army wey they take dey cover their self, they know say people go dey give them woto every day. That's why they always camp or live around where police or checkpoint dey, because they know say the kind madness wey Biafra people get, themselves no even get am. One, they no even get am at all. They dey fear anything wey they call southeast. That's why they never dey use power till they enter inside southeast, because when they don't watch wetin ESN don do them for inside bush. Oh, even me etiala so they come out come dey cry. That means that the thing pain them reach inside body. So na Yoruba people that they enter inside well, but this time around the Yoruba Nation say they don't rise and they must defend their land. That be the only solution really for that country, because the people wey they elect, they call them say na them be the chairman of this, na them be governor, na them be this one. They know if you protect them, because those people, the cabals wey put them there, na them get those boys wey dey for, wey they call Fulani herdsmen. All those people they carry people, they go inside bush, So tell me how the governor or the senator or the chairman or the local government fit work, or even security, even police, dey fit work where everybody get oga. A country where everybody get oga, nobody go fit work, my people. So things can never work for anywhere. Only thing wey they go do now, wey things still dey wey controllable, na to call around table, dey share the national cake. Everybody go carry im own go im mama house. Na so e be for my own mouth. I no know wetin you think, but make you talk your own opinion for inside comment section. Thank you so much for watching and share this video.